So our innovation, Tumaini AI, we are providing a decision support system to farmers to detect pest and disease and how to control them through AI-powered models.
Our innovation is a phenotyping tool that is deployable on smartphone and that uses computer vision for phenotyping crops. It's an honor for us to participate at the RAMP Accelerate program.
We are really excited to learn from different industry partners and stakeholders how to sell our idea as a business.
And so we get all the right advice that will allow us to convert our innovation into something that can last for the future.
As a scientist, we don't know about business, business opportunities. We know how to, develop the hypothesis to bring the result. We are really excited to learn from different industry partners and stakeholders how to sell our idea as a business. That's things we are learning from here.